I'm coming out the closet. I'm so nervous. I'm gonna shake it off.
Just shake it off. Just shake it off.
Shake it all off. This has been the year for me to be different, come out of my shell, change, get my crap together. Like, I'm over the sick cycles that I've been putting myself through over the past few years, and this is the year that I say no more. No more, no more. It definitely relates to you guys and my YouTube channel because, as you guys know, I have a hair channel, basically. I have the talent of doing some hair. So I started off on YouTube, like, I can definitely do this. Like, these girls making these YouTube hair videos, like, I got some skills. I'm going to broadcast myself. So that is how my channel got started, and it actually blew up over a while. I mean, like, I didn't even know any of that was going to happen, that my videos, even like the first 3 videos I put up ever, they like took off. I didn't know that was going to happen, but over time, you know, I don't have the same passion that I had for making hair videos. As I grow up, I realized that life is a lot more than just hair and being pretty and what color hair I'm going to have, what length, what style. Like, I used to like literally stress over, oh my God, what am I going to do with my hair? Like, hair was everything. I just like, no, if my hair wasn't on point, you can't see me. I don't want to talk to you. I need to figure out what I'm going to do. Like, I put off important things just for hair. As time goes on, you know, I'm definitely maturing in my ways. I'm becoming a lot wiser. And one thing that has been speaking to me lately is I have this platform now. Like, I know I don't have 100,000, 500,000 subscribers, but I have a platform of a couple thousand people. And for the person that I'm becoming, hair can't be all that I'm known for. Like, I have a voice. God gave me a voice. He wants me to speak. And so my YouTube channel is going to start changing up a bit, like a little more than a bit. I want to talk. I want to reach out to people. I want to help people, because we all need guidance in some sort. But anyone who struggles with the same struggles that I struggle with, I can definitely relate to some of you guys and share what has helped me and my path throughout life, and just really reach out to different souls. Like, I do believe that I was given this platform to then become more of who I am originally supposed to be. I know I'm not just hair. I'm not just hair. So,
Yeah, I'm like coming out of my shell. I don't know.
I was just like cheesy so bright because I was just like, wow, I can't believe I'm doing this. Finally doing what I've been saying I'm going to be doing. You guys don't know how many times I've been like contemplating with my family, like, not to say I wouldn't be doing hair videos. You know, I feel like every blue moon I might throw something in there because I love my hair. I love looking good and stuff, and I don't mind sharing what I know. But I feel like God gave me this platform. Like, he gave me all of you guys. And so why not take advantage of that and use it to my benefit and use it for the good of, you know, the universe, like the good of God. So a lot of what I will be talking about will be related to God, because that is a strong part of my journey. I am ready to speak out. It's a new year. I need to take advantage of 2016. I don't want to miss my turn for the opportunities that are coming my way. I don't want to miss what God has for me because I'm scared. I'm doubting. I'm not believing. Like, no, I'm going to believe that I can do this and that this is going to be one of the biggest milestones in my life. And so you got to step out on faith, like take a big step.
A huge step. That's what I'm doing, like a big step.
Out on faith, and I'm going to do what's in my heart to do. Within my craziness of just like trying to escape the world, I deleted my social media because I'm like, that is definitely going to help me like just stay in my own little bubble, because nobody gets me. Nobody understands me. Like, this world is crazy. I got to get out of here. Deleted my social media. And with that, I just felt like I was hiding. I was trying to hide. And I'm like, what's the point in hiding? Like, there's a whole entire world out here. And just because I'm currently in a state of mind, because that's really all it is a state of mind. Just because I'm in a state of mind that feels like I'm trapped. If I change my perception, I won't be. So that's what it took for me to do. And now I have a new social media. So follow me. Yeah, had to get that back because I'm like,
Like, I'm not gonna be that tuned out of the world. Like, I mean, I want to post that. I want to know what my friends are doing. Like, I don't want to be like all grandma hiding in my little rocking chair.
With all of that being said, I definitely just wanted us to have a more intimate conversation about it. And I definitely want to hear what you guys have to say.
All the haters and the negativity, I mean, your comment will probably be deleted. And anyone else who doesn't feel like they can stick with me, unsubscribe. Like,
If you support, thumbs up this video. Definitely thumbs up the video, because I do want to know how you guys really feel. So it's like, I feel like weights are lifted off my shoulders. I do. I genuinely feel like weights are lifted off my shoulder. God has been waiting for me to do this. He's been waiting for me to talk and open my mouth finally. And I hope that you guys enjoy this journey that we are going to continuously pursue with each other. This might give me more motivation to make more and more and more videos. Hopefully I don't like bore you guys. But I want you guys to give me some topics. Message me, email me. That'll probably be the best way to get to me. lovesomek@gmail.com. It'll be in the description where it says business inquiries. So for you guys, personal questions or whatever you want to know, whatever topics you guys want to discuss, email me. That would probably be the best way to get to me. So I appreciate you guys and I love you guys. Like, I genuinely love you guys, because it's just like, wow, you guys put me exactly where I am right now. Like, if it wasn't for you guys and the grace of God at the end of the day, because I couldn't do it by myself. And I say that because it's like, wow, you know, I'm normal. I'm so normal out here in this world. Like, maybe some of you guys don't know me personally, but I don't live glamorous, and you know, like I'm not walking around like I'm somebody. So to get on here and like have thousands of people watching you, wanting to hear what you have to say, like watching your videos, it's crazy. Like, it's possible. It's like, it's crazy, man.
I just can't believe I'm just like getting weird.
It's just crazy. I don't even have the words for it. So I hope to see you guys in my next videos, and we will be in touch.